other day, and I was like, "Hey, Stacey, what's up? My nose itches. I'm a little down. I'm gonna sneeze. I need to cover my mouth." I wish I could cover my mouth. I love to do my hair. I have the awesomest hair in the world. My stomach hurts really bad.
Start rubbing it.
I wish my tongue.
I did.
I'm hungry. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my god. My nose. I really do have an itch on my nose. Over a little on the left side. The left side. Down. Down. So, anyways, I was on the phone and I was like, "Hey, Grandma, what's up?" And my grandma said I need Botox. Whatever that means. So I was like, whatever. Don't make me snap my fingers in a Z formation! Exclamation! Rotation! Double, wrist. Girl, you just got this!
Alright, say goodbye.
Goodbye! Oh my goodness. That must be really hard though.